Hey there, I'm here at Express Paintless down in San Marcos, Texas. Mike has a beautiful retail shop here right off of exit 201 on the northbound side of I-35. He's got the flu today, so we're going to be helping him out with this 2017 Nissan Altima with some pretty extreme damage running from the bottom of the passenger rear door all the way up through the middle of it. There's about 20 inches worth of damage there. And that's pretty extreme. To do this, we're going to end up taking the door off the vehicle and securing it to a hood stand. Now while Mike Vigliotti gets this door taken apart so we can secure it to a hood stand, we brought up a window here in the bottom right corner so you can see what the damage looks like once it's secured to the stand. Now that the door is secured to the stand, I can walk you through how we do this repair. We set up these LED lights. These are made for paintless dent repair so we can read the damage and know exactly where and how to push the metal to get the shape back to its original form. And we're using paintless dent repair tools to access the damage from the backside and slowly push out with thousands of precise pushes. It takes a lot of patience to get damage like this back to the original shape, but paintless dent repair is absolutely the best process for this kind of vehicle. It saves the factory paint job and there's less downtime. Now keep in mind, not all damage is a candidate for paintless dent repair, but if your damage qualifies for our service, it's the best and only way to save your vehicle's far superior factory paint job. So if your vehicle happens to get dented, make sure to remember that paintless dent repair might be the best option for you. Now as we get this door put back together, you can see in the bottom right corner one last view of the door on the stand where you can see that the damage came out really great and we saved this original door and kept everything factory. Well, thanks for watching the repair on this 2017 Nissan Altima. This customer was told that he was going to need to have body work done for this damage because it's too extensive for paintless dent repair. So I'm hoping this video kind of squashes that myth. If this would have had body work done, the entire side of this vehicle would have ended up being painted. And you can see behind me that paintless dent repair was the best option available. Come and see Mike Goodsell at Express Paintless in South San Marcos, right off of exit 201 on the northbound side of I-35. Thanks for watching.